Hello guys, welcome to the channel and happy new year to you. My name is John and this is Tech Talk. It's the beginning of the year guys, which means new resolution, new goals, new plan. And if you are tired and just waiting to open your own YouTube channel, you know you have what it takes to open your own channel. You know you can do it. You want to share your opinions with the world. Maybe you want to have a cooking channel or a gaming channel or whatever channel that you want to open. 2022 is the perfect time to start. So creating and sharing your content with the world, you're gonna need a few things to start doing that. But the most important thing you should put on your list should be a video recording device, okay? I'm not talking about using your cell phone. I'm talking about a dedicated camera for your channel. So today I'm going to share with you the best camera that you need to get right now to get your new channel started in 2022. So stay tuned, I will be right back. Welcome back to the channel. My name is John and this is Tech Talk. Tech Talk is a channel where I share my personal opinion with you on tech. So whether it's for showing your cooking skills, your video gaming skills, or to show to other people how to fix certain things on YouTube, you're gonna need a few things in your creator tool bag if you want to get your channel started in 2022 and start attracting new visitors to your channel, new subscribers. The first thing you're gonna need is a good camera. Good camera will help you create beautiful content and it will help you connect with your viewers. Let me get straight to the point guys. The best camera that you need in 2022 if you're starting your channel today is the Sony ZV-E10. So I'm saying this today for a lot of good reason, but to be honest, there are other good options out there as well. For example, the Canon M50 is still a great camera, but in my opinion, for new YouTubers just getting started today or in 2022, the ZV-E10 is the best all-around camera to get right now. The ZV-E10 comes ready to use for creating wonderful videos, any type of videos for your channel. The top reason to get the ZV-E10 is because of the autofocus function. That is the best of the best when it comes to camera in that price range, because the worst thing that can actually happen to you while you're recording a video, while you're creating your content, is for the camera to lose focus when you really need it to focus on your subject. So with the Sony ZV-E10, you won't have to worry about anything like this. No matter what you're shooting, the ZV-E10 will stay focused on your subject, and with the showcase mode, your subject will stay in focus whenever you want to show it to your viewers. So the ZV-E10 already comes with the lens that you need to make your video look professional. Compared to other camera, you need to buy a separate lens, maybe lenses, to achieve background blur in your video, something that's gonna make your video look professional. With the ZV-E10, you just need to tap a button and the camera does the magic for you. The sound quality coming straight from the camera is good enough to make your video sound good. Sony also include a wind filter to help your sound stay clean from background noises without the need to get any external mic. This time I'm recording this video, the ZV-E10 is hard to find. It's out of stock pretty much everywhere, but no worries guys, Sony is working on fixing these issues. Once it's back in stock, if you really want to start your new YouTube channel, that is the camera to get, and you'll be making some beautiful content, beautiful videos for your viewers. There you have it guys, that's all I have for today's video. I hope you enjoyed topics like this, and if you do, hit the subscribe button and I will see you guys soon for the next one. Take care.